So today I am raking. We're using a different tractor, so now I get to try and learn how to use that. And then we're gonna rake it. And my husband did a little practice round. He has to work on some other projects. So I wanted to go faster and I can't figure out how to get it in gear. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like John Deere. I'm trying to get this in gear. Bunched up. Here you go, gonna hold this for me, Huey. That's enough. You're gonna have to go stand back there. Stand back there. Grass in windrows, so next step is baling.